I'm here with my Urbinz Egg Boiler, and the question is, can we make some steamed shrimp and vegetables with this Urbinz Egg Boiler? Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. Yesterday I filmed a review and unboxing of this product, and I made some hard-boiled eggs in it. And this is what it looks like inside. It's just a stainless steel base, and then it has this insert where you can make your hard-boiled eggs. But what I realized is that if I take a little stainless steel bowl, the cover still fits, which means I should be able to put some vegetables in that bowl and steam the vegetables. I also have this other bowl. This is from my Itaki electric lunchbox. And this also fits perfectly in there. I have a little bit left in this bag of frozen broccoli. I'll put the broccoli in here. As you can see, it's only a few pieces of broccoli and just some ice. It's been in my freezer for quite some time. And I also found a bag of small cooked shrimp in my freezer, so let's put some shrimp in here also. I just cut up about half of a carrot into like little coins. And let's put these in here also. So I have some broccoli, carrots, and shrimp. And I need to put some water along the bottom. I just filled up the little measuring cup that comes with this. I don't know how much water I'm gonna need. Okay, so this is probably a little bit too much water, like it's coming completely to the sides. And this is filtered water. Yesterday I used tap water and I saw like a lot of rusty residue from the tap water because I know I have that in my tap water. But this was put through a 12-stage filter, so I'm going to be curious to see what kind of residue is left behind from this filtered water. Okay, I just plugged it into my portable power bank, and it already just went on, so I didn't even have to turn it on. It just went on its own because when I used it yesterday, it clicked itself off. So let's put the cover on. This is my portable power bank. It is an EcoFlow River Pro, and I just refilled it with the solar panels. We're at 99% capacity. It was at 100% when I just plugged it in, so we're using 342 watts. And yesterday when I made the hard-boiled eggs, it brought it down to 89%. So we'll see what it does steaming this food. So this definitely has too much water in it. Can you see that the water is like spilling out the side? As more of it evaporates, it shouldn't be as bad, but there has been some overflow. And it's only been a few minutes and I definitely smell the ingredients cooking. Like I smell the broccoli and the shrimp. So it's been a little bit less than 15 minutes and it turned itself off, maybe because some of the water escaped. Let's open this up and see what's going on inside. This is what we have. Let's see. Let's see how the carrots are. The carrots are nice. They're soft, but not too soft. They're still just a little bit firm. The broccoli definitely looks like it's been cooked. There's a lot of water in here also from all the, probably from all the ice with the broccoli. Everything is super hot. It really needs to cool, but the broccoli is cooked perfect. And what happened to the little shrimp? Here's one of the shrimp. Now these shrimp were pre-cooked. They were frozen, so they really only needed to be heated up. So I don't know, they're probably like rubber, right? Yeah, they were a little overcooked, but they taste fine. I'm perfectly happy with this. I think this came out really good considering this is an egg boiler. And this is going to be part of my lunch. I already had a green salad, and now I'm just gonna have a little bit of steamed vegetables with the steamed shrimp, maybe a piece of toast, and I am good. And if we look at the portable power bank, we can see that we are now at 90% capacity. So we use just about the same amount of power that we use to boil the hard-boiled eggs. And so that's how you can make some steamed shrimp and vegetables in this Urbinz Egg Boiler. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this Urbinz Egg Boiler. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.